Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cotton candy burrito. Now a few days ago somebody shared a post with me on Facebook showing me someone making one of these, and ever since then I wanted to make one for myself. So here you go, keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. Now the first thing we need to make this is some really nice fluffy cotton candy. Now I do suggest the real fluffy kind, the kind that's hand spun. I did purchase some from a store like this, and it was very compressed and very hard, and it was hard to do. So I did try this recipe out before with some of this. I don't recommend it. It worked fine, it tasted amazing, but I really wanted to try it with the big fluffy kind. So here we go. Also, I suggest using some food-safe gloves to make this. The reason why is the moisture from your hands can cause the cotton candy to disintegrate, and we don't want that to happen. So use some food-safe gloves. And we'll pull out our cotton candy. I just got this from the mall. So I got two different colors here. I have blue and I have pink. So what I'm going to do is, just as a little extra padding in the middle here, is I'll put the pink in there. Now what you can do is you can decorate this any way you like. I'm going to use some gummy bears and put in the middle here. And then of course some rainbow sprinkles. Next I have, this is called party cake ice cream because it has all the different colors in there. So I'm going to scoop some of that out. I'm going to put a scoop here. Another scoop there. I think 2 scoops will be good. Now of course some more sprinkles. Maybe some nonpareils. And now we can just roll this up just like we would a burrito. And it gets to be a little challenging. Now we can flatten that ice cream a little bit and roll this up. There we go. That is our cotton candy burrito. Now we can cut this up and see what it looks like on the inside. Check that out. Wow, that looks amazing. Well, now it's time for the taste test, and I'm going to dig right in just with my hands. I'm going to pick up the cotton candy burrito just like I would a regular burrito and dig right in. Here we go. The gummy bears are going to harden up when you put it with that ice cream, so just be aware of that. This is amazing, let me tell you. You have that sugar rush from that cotton candy, you get that ice cream to kind of balance it out a little bit, and then all those sprinkles and stuff is right back to the sugar. But it's amazing, it's a fun thing to make, and like I said, it's simple. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this cotton candy burrito. It was a lot of fun to make this. Everyone can make it. It's very simple to do, super easy, and I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself. And if you do, please share it with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out the videos I have to the side. I have some cotton candy related videos I think you may enjoy. I'll put a link in the description below to one of those. And as always, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll be notified when I put a new video out. Until then, I'll see you next time.